So as we hang out, there's Chip Foose. Pretty cool. Hey everybody, welcome back to another Classics or Better. I'm Travis, and today we are hanging out at English Colors 75th Anniversary Car Show. This thing is awesome. Chip Foose is here, Shorty's here, Jesse James is here. It's a good time. Let's check out some cool cars. So as I was saying, y'all, we're at English Colors Hub out in Richardson, Texas. It is their 75th anniversary kind of car show, barbecue shindig type thing. But there's a lot of cool people here. Chip Foose is here, Shorty's here, Jesse James is here, and just a ton of cool cars. Let's get checking it out. Cool, man. And we got Bigfoot. So cool. These tires are huge, y'all, considering I'm 6'3". Oh, they are starting up Bigfoot. So that's pretty cool. Just got to meet Chip Foose. He's walking right there. Friendly guy. Pretty cool. And I got DAR in person.
Yes, sir.
Live. This is cool. Jesse James is signing this dude's car. There's Jesse James. Not a bad collection.
Who all you got on there, sir? Richard Petty, Kyle Petty, Herb McCandless, Jesse James, and Chip Foose.
Right on, right on.
Beautiful ride.
Yeah, you
sir.
got Jesse.
Well, thank you guys for watching another Classics Are Better. As always, I greatly appreciate it for checking out the English Color 75th anniversary car show with me today. I had a really good time, met some really cool people, and I mean, getting to meet Chip Foose, getting to meet Shorty, getting to meet Jesse James, that is not what I had planned out for this afternoon, so pretty darn cool, man. Anyway, get out there, get wrenching if you can. Take it easy, y'all.